Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? It's all about physics. Like and subscribe the channel. Today's our topic Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion deals with the reaction of a body when force act on it. Here we differentiate between action force and reaction force. Let a body A exert a force on another body B. The body B reacts against this force and exert a force on it like this. Body A exert a force in this direction and in result and reaction body B exert a force on a body A in this direction. The force exerted by a body A on B is the action force and the force exerted by the body B on A is called the reaction force. Newton's third law of motion states that to every action, there is an equal but opposite reaction. According to this law, action is always accompanied by a reaction force, and the two forces must and always be equal and opposite to each other. Note that action and reaction force act on different bodies. Now, some examples. Consider a book lying on a table like this. Okay, the weight of the book is acting on the table in downward direction and this is the action. This weight is acting downward and it is the action of a book on the table. The reaction of the table acts on the book in the upward direction and this is the reaction R and it is upward direction. Two forces act a force on each bodies and these are in opposite directions. Another example, consider a balloon, air-filled balloon. When the balloon is set free, the air inside it rushes out and the balloon moves forward. In this example, the action is by the balloon that pushes the air out of it when set free and the reaction of air which escape out from the balloon acts on the balloon. It is due to the reaction of escaping air that moves the balloon forward. The last one example of a rocket taking off. Consider a rocket that moves on the same principle. When its fuels burn, hot gases escape out from its tail and with a very high speed. And the reaction of these gases on the rocket causes it to move opposite to the gases rushing out of its tail and rocket move in upward direction. Thanks for listening. Like and subscribe the channel. Allah Hafiz.